Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Sorry, my knee hurts. I just twisted it bad running from a drone. I got attacked today in my own yard in front of my house, in front of my daughter, and my head isn't clear. Everything was, I got everything on video. It came so close to me that I felt the wind in my neck. I saw the model number, Mini 2, MINI 2. It was so close to me. I got almost everything on camera, but the camera made it look farther away than it was. It was really close to me. I felt the wind on me. What originally happened is the guineas were screaming, and that usually means an animal is attacking our chickens, and we have baby birds over here. So I came out with the 12 gauge, and I had my cell phone in my back pocket, and I came out to respond to whatever was attacking the birds, and I heard like a nest of angry bees buzzing, so I froze for a while, and I set the gun down and I froze, and I'm looking for the bees because I'm allergic and I didn't want to get hurt, and it sounded like a mess of angry bees. And then I looked up, and there was a drone right in front of me, right over my head, and it was antagonizing the guineas and terrifying my birds. So I grabbed my camera and my phone, and I started recording, but then I backed up, and I went in and grabbed this camera and recorded the rest of it. Now, at one point, it came at me and started coming down at me, and because I felt the wind on my neck the one time it came so close to me. I grabbed the 12 gauge and fired in self-defense because it was coming and coming and coming and coming right at me, and I thought it was going to hurt me. And Michelle was on the porch yelling, "What is it? What is it?" And I was screaming, "Get in the house now!" And then I ran, twisted my knee, and I was hiding out in the forest over here and called the police, and the drone was looking for me for a while out here, and I wasn't recording anymore, and finally it went down, and I watched where it went down over here to where Ken hangs out, Peeping Ken. And at one point I forgot, after I fired the shotgun, because it came right at me, I fired the shotgun. Not 30 seconds to a minute later, I dropped the camera when I shot, and I'm going to put this all online for everybody to see. I felt like my life was in danger, okay? My daughter was right there on the porch. What would you do, all right? So anyway, I dropped the camera. I don't know what I recorded after that or not. I have no idea. But then I heard a police siren right here where Ken hangs out, and there were two vehicles over there. And I don't think I got that on video. I have no idea what happened to the camera when I fired the shotgun. It fell. I don't know. And then I was over here and I called 911. I was hiding in the forest from it. And it was like I said, I'm repeating myself, but I'm a little bit stressed. And then later, while I was waiting for the police, a red truck came out of here, and I got it on camera, and then came around here and parked behind my house and revved the engine a few times, and then disabled my other camera and shut it off and took the memory card. But I got him over here. But they attacked me physically with a weapon. Well, I'll let you see the clip and you just decide for yourselves, because he's been here. He's had a gun on me before on my land, and it's just going on and on and on and on and on and on. It's getting aggressive, and somebody's going to get hurt. And I defended my own body. I physically defended my own self today. So I'll let you see the footage. Yeah, go to your master. Go to your master. I don't know how legal it is. These guys are insane. recording me. You gonna just sit there recording me? Is that legal? They're right over my yard. Really? They're bold. I can't see my camera display. It's right here. You gotta go to your master. You're gonna run out of battery power. You have to go to your master. This is my dream come true. Right here. How long can that thing run? Why can't I see it on my camera? I can't see, it's so bright out. Look at that. I would think that's gotta be criminal. Come on now, you gotta go to your master. Take me to your master. Come on, just run it. It's alright. Stand there and run it. Now, any of you people who have ever said that Ken is the innocent victim, I want you to tell me now. I'm standing in my yard. I was giving water to my chickens. And my guineas were screaming in fear. You tell me who's the innocent victim now. I'm standing here in my yard, and this thing is watching me. How long can that run on a battery? How long can that run? How long can that run on a battery? See what they do, and they've been talking about this for years. Nobody believed me. What they'll do is they'll check out my security from above. Thank God I got the guineas out now, because the guineas are my warning. The guineas are warning me. How long can that battery last, huh? How long can that last? This is a dream I always had right here, guys. Nobody believed me. You guys never believed me. Where's your leader? This is why they know all about my security. This is why they know every single thing I do. Thank God for the guineas. See, the guineas, they're my alarm system. The guineas, they tell me if something's going on. And they were afraid. So I came out thinking it was a hawk. These guys have been doing this for years, and they tell me about it. They brag about it. They know every single thing I do. They know every single detail about my security, my alarm systems, everything about my life. This is the truth. This is the real deal, guys, right here. This is really happening. And this is the day it's happening. When this is done, whenever that runs out of power, whatever happens first, I will put this up today. I think they have a problem because it's going to run out of power. Oh yeah, get up there in the trees, yeah? Get up there in the trees. Huh? Get right up there in the trees and hit my trees. I just felt the air from that. I'm sitting here editing my video now. At this point is where he came right at my neck, and I felt the wind on the back of my neck, and I took cover. So he dive bombed me. You could hear the angry buzz of that thing. He was right above my hat. I mean, it was in my face. So this is where I started to feel like I was in a little bit of danger. That came right at me. where birds are terrified. All of the birds are terrified. I don't know if you can see it now. How much battery power can that have? Well, I'm going to hang right here, guys, until that thing runs out of juice and goes to its owner. It's just hanging. This is 100% over my land, 100% over my yard, scaring my birds, terrifying my animals. You gotta go to your owner. Now that's aggressive. That thing actually blew air on me a few minutes back. That's aggressive. I don't know what you consider stalking behavior, guys, but if that's not, I don't know what is. It's closer than it looks on camera, believe me. It's about, I'd say 20, 30 feet above my head right now. Can you hear it? That's what's scaring my birds. Now, in this next scene, I'm very distressed. I'm trying to sound calm for Michelle. She came out on the porch right behind me, and I'm trying to calmly tell her, get inside, shut the door. And then the drone started coming straight at my face, and Michelle is right behind me. And so I don't know what happened to the video. I guess, I'm not sure. Everything was a blur after that. But the drone was coming right at my face. Michelle was right there, and I did what I had to protect my family. It's my daughter. What are you going to do? You watch. Just shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the door. Yeah, there's a camera flying over us. Hurt my knee running. Ow, it hurt my knee. I think it's Ken. Oh, it hurt my knee. I lost the heat. That thing was fast. What's this? There's cars out front. This is where he hangs out. I just heard some kind of a police siren. I don't think it's real. I hear something. Where'd he go? I hear something. He's still here. I can hear him. He's back. Oh, he's there. Way up high in the sky. How long a battery's that thing got? He's still going. How long a battery can that have? This is aggressive, aggravated aggression here, guys. He's coming after me. Just a minute. Just keep that door shut. Now, Michelle keeps popping out. She's curious. She's a kid. I'm stressed. My knee is injured. And the drone keeps coming after me. So, I don't know. I must have stopped the video or something. I have no idea. I ran into the forest on the side of my property by my orchard. And I knelt down. I bowed down. I don't know. Honestly, it was unclear. I was very distraught. I called the cops. I called 911. And I was laying in the forest hiding. Because the drone kept coming back after me. And I mean, I don't know. It was chasing me, so I ran into the forest and sought cover under the trees. Anyway, I called 911, and I was very distressed and unclear to the dispatcher. But eventually the cops did come, and then the red truck came out of the place where Ken stays to harass me. It's not his place. And then they came by Carroll Road, and I got a clip of him there. And then he came around on to Lyle Road to my back driveway, parked his truck, revved the engine, opened my game camera, took out the memory, shut off the camera, and left. I did obviously not get footage of that because we lost power the other day and my DVR system reset. I did not get the backup footage of him taking my memory card. But I do have the photo of him with time and date stamp, which I'll put here now. And I also got photo of the police going down there after he left with the drone. I was in my yard defending my daughter.